Next, let's dive into the features of this toilet. The HOROW T05 Smart Toilet offers many features. Say goodbye to slamming toilet lids. As you approach, the automatic lid will open smoothly, and when you're done, it closes gently, keeping your bathroom tidy and quiet. Some features will require a human present to be enabled. To try the clean feature, just select the clean option on the remote. Watch as the nozzle extends and spray water. When done, just press stop to retract the nozzle. After using the bidet or cleaning function, you can activate the drying feature. Warm air will gently blow to dry you off, ensuring a comfortable and hygienic experience. You can adjust the temperature and the intensity using the remote. Experience the convenience of auto flushing. Never forget to flush again. Simply stand up and walk away, or you just kick the flush button for a flush. And now it's time to enjoy your brand new HOROW T05 Smart Toilet. Thank you for watching. Bye.